But so this is the Union Station at night.
Yep.
Here we go, sir. Broke in there. The alarm probably would have went off. I hope them keys are right in there.
You see them?
I don't know.
There they are.
Well, at least they're there.
Exactly what I thought happened.
Hey, there we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about.
I didn't ask what the sticker shock's gonna be.
What's that now?
But I didn't ask what the sticker shock's gonna be.
The sticker shot. What does that mean?
You know what the cost?